basic strikes of armies in place are fundamental movements used in training and combat. These strikes are performed while maintaining a steady stance without moving forward or backward. Good day class, I am your instructor for today. I am Lydia M. Lopez. And today I'm going to demonstrate to you step by step 12 basic strikes of armies. So follow the steps carefully. Stand in ready position. Slightly bend your knees. Hold your stick firmly but not too tight. Strike 1 and 2. Diagonal strike to the head. Swing diagonally from left back side of the head and aiming the hit to the right temple. And swing the stick, just imagine you have an invisible opponent in front of you. From right back side of your head, aiming the left temple. Strike 1 and 2. Targeting the stomach, like this. Strike 1, strike 2, strike 3, strike 4, strike 5. In strike 6 and 7, upward strike to the chest. Swing from low to high, targeting the opponent's chest area, like this. And hit the left chest. In strike 6, targeting the left chest of your opponent, and strike 7 is targeting the right chest of your opponent. In strike 8 and 9, diagonal strike to the feet. Swing downward diagonally from left to right, aiming the right feet. And then right to left, aiming the left feet. In 10 and 11, thrust the eyes or direct the tip of the stick in a quick throwing motion towards the opponent's eye and next to the other side of the eye.
Hey.
And the last strike is the strike 12. Downward strike to the crown at the head, raising the stick and strike directly downward to the opponent's head. So now let's all perform together the 12 strikes of armies. 1, 2, 4. Stay light on your feet like a boxer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,